What's up YouTube? This is Jason with Surviving on Adventure, and today we're going to check out this BougeRV 53 quart 12 volt fridge. When this arrives to your house, mine was packaged up perfect. It was double boxed with great styrofoam. Included in the box, you had your fridge, you have your 12 volt plug, you have your household 120 plug, you have your BougeRV owner's manual. It came with this nice little tool to install your handles. It's just 8 bolts, 4 on the front, 4 on the back, and these are great, very heavy duty handles. Up top here you have your LED display with your power button, your max and eco modes, your temperature display in the middle, and then your temperature adjustments on the right hand side. I've currently got mine set at 35, but I just cut it on so it's at 61 right now. When it's on its max mode, it's running at 60 watts. When it kicks down the eco, it's running at 45 watts, according to BougeRV. Back here on their back, you'll see your battery protection information along with the switch. I've been running mine on low battery protection, and so far it's worked out great. You'll also see behind the plug there's a 15 amp fuse. It's just your standard car fuse. The machine is also currently running, so you can hear that it's very quiet. BougeRV says that it is below 45 decibels.
1, 2, 3,
So here it is on the ground for a better view. Here's your latch, you just pull it up. You've got a nice chain to hold the lid. You've got an LED light. Back here in the back is your 10-liter refrigerator area. And up here in front is your 40-liter freezer area. This area up here will get to -4 degrees. You're actually able to make ice in this thing. One thing that we like about it is it holds a ton of stuff, including standing up a bottle of wine. So let's talk about accessories. When I bought my fridge, I got it from Amazon. They were offering a bundle deal where you got the fridge and the insulated cover. We just got home from a 4-day camping trip in the Outer Banks, and this insulated cover did awesome. So the big question is price. There's a lot of 12 volt fridges out there that work great, have great name brands, and quality products. I didn't want to spend that much money, so I went with this off-name brand, BougeRV, because it was offered at an amazing price, and the reviews I found were great. When I bought mine, Amazon was offering this package with the fridge, the wires, and the insulated cover for $349. So out the door after taxes and with the free shipping, I got mine for $374. I couldn't find a better deal. Currently, Amazon is offering this fridge at $339, but I didn't see an insulated cover. But they did have a 5% off coupon and also free shipping. Now, if you don't like ordering from Amazon, BougeRV has it on their website with free shipping, currently at $399. But for me, every penny matters. The more I save, the more I can travel. So $339 in Amazon would be the way I would go. I want to thank you for sticking around, checking out my 12 volt fridge. This is my honest review. I wasn't compensated or given anything. I paid for this refrigerator with my own money. It's working great so far. If you're interested, check out the Amazon link. I think you'll be happy with yours. So if you enjoyed this review, why don't you go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm going to be bringing you a lot of content that revolves around adventures, travels, food reviews, product reviews. You're not going to miss out. Again, this is Jason with Surviving on Adventures. Thank you.